All right, it's February 2nd, 2011, and it is the Chicago blizzard. We're venturing out to go get some breakfast, so let's see how this works. I can even get the door open. Oh, shit. That's a lot of snow.
Oh, God.
Can you even get the door open?
It's a steadfast beginning so far.
You should go in the back.
We're abandoning the front door. We're going to try option 2 for Operation Pancakes to be continued.
Right. Trying the back door since you couldn't get out the front.
Now, that's an 8-foot privacy fence, and that drift is halfway up. All right, let's go. So,
Yeah. No way we're getting out of the garage.
holy shit.
Whoa.
Oh, there's our kitchen window. All right.
This is super high. Look at our front.
Go right through it.
It's definitely up to my knees.
Babe, go right. Go through that.
Huh?
Jesus.
I hope the pancake house is open.
It better be open. Get the picture. Very. Oh, here it's like an inch. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Whoa, there's.
Yeah, the snow's completely covering the basement window.
You can't see the basement, yeah.
Super windy out.
One of our neighbors' cars. I've been out for a week.
Decided to walk in the street because the sidewalks are really bad.
Almost there.
Look at this mailbox. The snow is inside the mailbox.
Oh man, they're gonna be pissed. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's packed solid in there.
I know.
Here, stand next to us. I see how high it is. That's not standing, but that's cool.
I can't really stand.
Look at that.
Hill.
It's about 6 feet tall. Oh, they definitely look good. What if Tiger Lounge is open?
They don't open until 11.
No, they're closed.
It's closed down though, completely.
What do you mean closed
It
down?
says rental space available.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that sucks.
No wonder why their phone was being
Yeah.
disconnected. Oh well.
We tried. Now back to the house. We're on Harlem. There's like nobody outside.
There's a face bus on the way to Tiger Lounge.
Tiger Lounge.
Safe haven.
All these people in their cars probably think we're crazy. Well, it looks like they're closed for breakfast too, but we can venture out for lunch maybe?